Hello guys, this is Amit from NutriFit. Today is day 12, dog birth challenge for 1 minute. So let's begin.
I be trapping in the trap set, yeah, I'm getting paper on the low from the law and the bad haters. On a mission trying to come up like escalators. Cross you wrong and then you hooked up.
42.